Okay, Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do chapter 1 quiz animal. For this quiz, you must download a Word file. It's chapter 1 quiz Word file. And I also have another two picture file. One is koala, one is penguin. After you download these two files, and we are going to open it out and follow the instruction. When you finish, you're going to upload two files, okay? One zip file, one exe file. So let me open now my document file. So my document file, this is what you're supposed to see, okay? This is what you're supposed to see, your work. You were supposed to see right here. If I click on koala, the LBL name will show koala. So I have LBL name here. I have a pig animal. So this is pig animal here. I have three buttons: BTM koala, BTM penguin, BTM exit. And also I have a label, is your name. So let's take a look what we're supposed to do right now. Okay, so these you probably know how to do. We're going to change these to animal. All right, so we're going to do this, but first we're going to see what we doing, what control we needed. We need LBL name, and we need LBL student name. That will be your name, your student ID. We have a picture box, is PIC animal. We have three buttons: BTN koala, BTN penguins, and BTN exit. All right, the text will be this. Okay, now this is the first time I'm going to show you how to do ampersand in front. I'll show you. This will be allowed you to do Alt X to get to enter this. Okay, so you want to save the solution and start solution. You need to zip it and you get exe. So that's basic. That's what you need to do for this assignment. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm going to call my Visual Basic, Visual Studio 2019. All right, so let me start it right now. So first I create a new project. All right, so make sure, because I have different class, make sure you use Visual Basic, and the ones you are used very often usually here. So Windows Form application is a recent project. All right, so if not, you look for this from here and look for the correct template. Next. All right, so we are going to call these is what we're going to call let me see, that we are going to call these animal. Okay, so animal solution, and we're going to call this animal project. All right, so we call that. If you do different name, that's okay. That's no problem. Okay, no problem. So I created. So name slightly different is okay, no problem. All right, so make sure I have my toolbox and pinned it, and make sure I'm a common toolbox, and then make sure I have my solution explorer, and make sure I have my form. Okay, here I'm going to ask you to do this. The text here, I'm going to ask you to do chapter 1 quiz. Okay, animal project by and your name. Okay, by your name. All right, so we do that. Now we are going to do this one by one. First, label. Here I got label. I click a label here. I want to make a label here, but it will shrink because label is automatically is auto size. So first I'm going to call this LBL NAME name. Then the auto size I have to say false, otherwise it will shrink. And the border style I want it to be fixed single. Alright, fixed single. Then after I finish that, add the text here. I'm going to delete it. Okay, so I don't have text. So I got this LBL name right now. How do I know that? Because it's a LBL name. Now I need to have my pick animal. So I get my picture box right here and I put right here. Okay, maybe a little bit bigger next to that. Add a picture box right here. That's a picture box. I am going to go up here. I'm going to say PIC animal. All right, PIC animal. Okay, I got my PIC animal. Now I need to upload the picture. And watch when I upload the picture, your Solution Explorer will create a resource folder automatically for you, and two pictures will drop over there. So you want to go here and you want to say, first this has to be a stretch mode. Okay, stretch image. Then choose picture. Okay, so import. I was here. So let me go back right now. I was at my chapter 1 here. So I got koala open. Okay, then I'm going to get my penguin open. So both right now, but I make sure here. Okay, it has to be stretch. Okay, so they are stretched right now. Okay, I got penguin, I got koala. Let me double check my, yeah, I was stretch image. Okay, so I got this right now. Next, I want to have 3 buttons. So let me have 3 buttons right here. So I'm going to have button 1. All right, I'm going to make it smaller like this. It's okay. Control C, Control V, another button, so they be exactly the same. Control V, another button. All right, I got another button here. Now, for the 3 button, I'm going to control here, and I hit the control key. Then I come into the format. I make them the same size both, and I also want them to horizontal space to be equal. All right, so that's look a little bit more professional, and I can even click all of them and make them to be them center in the form. Okay, horizontally. So now that look very good right now. I need another label here. Another label here. I'm going to put big here, and this is going to call LBL student name. All right, so same thing. I'm going to auto size to be false. All right, and border style to be fixed single, and then the text here, the text here. I'm going to write my name, and my ID will be 00123456 Okay, so I got this right now. So in order to make sure, now we want it to be a little bit larger size and this and that, we can click on this and hold the control key, hold the control key, hold the control key, hold the control key, because they share the font. So we can say now the font we are all going to size 12 and all bolded. It's okay. They are all bolded. And if you do like that, they will be this way. Then if you also want the full color to change it and the same color, you can do it right now. So for example, I want all dark blue, then you can do it at the same time. All right. So I have this thing. This is called user interface. User interface fix, but we need to do the program. So down the bottom one here, okay, I have to click up here. I need to call this btn, okay, koala, koala, okay, koala, okay, call that. Then on the text here, let's type koala. All right, then the second one here, I am going to come here is a button, so btn is a penguin. Penguin. Okay, then the text here, we're going to call penguin. All right, now and right here, this one I'm going to call btn exit. And then on the text here, I want you to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to call E and ampersand XIT. So you will see the X has underscore. That means if I do Alt X, it's equal to I press the enter. Use a mouse, click on exit. Because sometimes you don't have mouse. In your laptop or your tablet, there's no mouse. Okay? So we finish this part right now. We are going to write code. Okay? To write code, I'm going to ask you to do this. So at this time, I also want you to take look your resource file. It's created by the Visual Studio automatically. And you see the koala and you see the penguin right here. All right. So I'm going to ask you to click penguin and double click it, press enter. Now we got the code right here. So then I'm going to put them by this way for you. So you will see the picture. You will see the picture, and you will see the code. Okay. So right here, I'm at the koala right now in the code here. So here you want to say this. When you click on koala and your LBL name .txt, right? I want to tell you the easy way. .txt. You can put equal LBL name .txt. I saw the text already. Is that right? I can put equal, so it will automatically type for you. And here you want to say this is koala. Okay. Now that's number one. You want to be show koala. Is that right? So then your picture. Okay. You have a picture box animal, right? And the image. You see image you already show here. You put equal. It will put image for you. And that will be my dot resource. Type a resource. So resource already here. If I put dot, it will type for me. And I want to koala. All right. So now add your BTM koala. I wanted to type the koala. The text goes to the LBL name text, and from here my resource and koala is going to move to picture animal koala. All right. So I'm done that. Then I'm going to do another one. So what I'm going to do another one is I'm going to click on this one and press enter. So I'm going to do the other one right now. So I'm done this one, I do the other one. The other one, same thing, LBL name. All right, make sure name here. You see the text is right here already. You put equal, it type for you. And this one is penguin, Penguin. Okay, GUIN. Sorry, I put the QUIN. That's okay. Sorry. Then I got that. I got the penguin right now. Then I am going to say this. Then my picture box animal. I'm going to put that. When I see image here, I put equal, so image type for me. And from my dot resource, I saw resource here. I put dot, it type for me, and penguin. All right, so I got this right now. Okay, let me put penguins. Okay, let me put penguins. All right, so now so far okay. Then let's come exit right here. I'm going to say mida close. Okay. All right. So I'm coming back here to fix a little bit about my thing, the penguin here. I want to put penguins. Okay. Penguins. Okay, penguins. So I have this right now. So the code already done, and now I am going to build it right now. Okay, so let me put this thing a little bit bigger so you can see. All right, so now I'm going to run my program. So I build it, solution. Then I'm going to start without debugging. I type run. With debugging take forever. All right, so now I'm going to close this. Let me just do it one more time. Okay, so build it. Okay, debug. I'm going to stop debugging. Okay, so I'm going to start without debugging. All right, so this is your exe file. If I click koala, it say koala. If I say penguin, it say penguin. Now I'm going to show you here. I can click it, but I can use Alt X. Alt, Alt X. That's the same thing, exit. So why I do that? How do I do that? Let me explain it to you. If you do that, the reason is you need to code it for different devices. Not all device has mouse, especially your phone, your laptop, your tablet. They don't have mouse, so you have to code differently. All right. Now, so when I finish, I need to have your zip file in exe. In order to do that, you have to close the thing. You have to close your file. So close solution. Once you close your solution here, you want to go to your C drive. Okay, all the way to your C drive. Your C drive. Then once your C drive to user, go to your hard drive. You know your hard drive's name, and you want to go to source. Then you want to go to repo. Once you go to repo, and you can view detail. If you view detail, you can find out today's today's work, September 9. So animal solution. Don't close it. Don't open, hon. Please don't open it. Right click it, and send it to zip. And I want you to send it to zip. Okay. I want you keep in your zip in your cloud store, because we have too many files. All right, so after this one, I open it up. I open my projects. I go to my bin folder and debug, and the exe file, you want to click it and double check that's correct, and that's correct. And you copy it, and you go back. You go back to your repo. Go back to your repo. Go back to your repo and paste it. And paste it. So now you have these two files you need to upload, zip and .exe. So please pay attention. I want the .exe. I do not want any other. Okay, so there are some config.exe. Those I don't want to. You need to fix it until you are correct. I know it's painful, but you know, the devil is in the detail. Okay, come on, let's pay attention, so make it correct. Is that okay? Please. So once you finish this work, you coming back to here. Then I'm going to show you, let me do as a student view. So I'm at chapter 1 right now. I'm at animal solution. I upload it, I click it, and I say submit assignment, and I choose the file, and I wanted to go back to, again, it's a lot of work. Go back to your C drive, this PC. You go back to your C drive, or you, when that time, you can drag to your desktop. That will be easier. User, hard drive, and source, repo, and look for today's. We have animal zip here, so 1 year. Alright, let's add another file. Choose a file here, and the exe. Make sure it's the exe. Make sure it's not config exe. Alright, so once you do that, then you can submit, and you voila, get confettis. It's slower because we have exe. Okay, it's larger. Now you are complete right now. If you want, you can resubmit. So I complete this assignment, and I'm going to, if you want to open it back, just click on this reason. The program will coming back right now. So I complete this quiz for you. I hope that you enjoy this quiz and you learn from this quiz.